I think if we, parents and educators, if we really do the research and really found out what really works for kids, then all schools would have Kumon as a part of their curriculum. It's a very individualized program. It looks at every child very differently. It comes up with a tailored, individualized program just to make sure that they can actually reach their full potential. And it's an amazing program. Some of the things that parents get, some of the byproducts that they get from Kumon that they're not expecting, but one of those byproducts, of course, is standardized testing. Their standardized test scores go up because they're timed on their Kumon worksheets. They're really proficient in doing things, and so you will see any child that's really enrolled in Kumon for any length of time, their standardized test scores definitely goes up. Absolutely. The statistics are there. Students enrolled in Kumon, they're the top in their class. Students enrolled in Kumon, they're in the talented and gifted programs. Students enrolled in Kumon, even those that struggled at some point in time, they tend to excel more so than their peers. Even students enrolled in Kumon will definitely, like I said earlier, get those standardized test results that really will show that they're proficient in things. So I'm an elite instructor mainly because of the hard work of my students. I wish I could take all the credit and say it was my hard work. I work very hard, but my students work just as hard. And it's because of their successes that's made us elite. We have program completers here. We have children that have reached G by 5, children that are doing algebra before middle school, and it's because of their diligence, their perseverance, and their hard work. That's why we're elite. My mission is really to try and provide Kumon to as many kids as possible in our community, to really try and help every child really reach and realize their full potential, to really let them, give them an opportunity to really embark on a positive experience with education. Try to give to students a little more than just math and reading. Like I said, I really try and empower them so that they can reach their full potential. And I just know just from life, the best way to reach people is by developing relationships. And I wish I could just give a child a piece of paper and act like that child is non-existent. But that child does exist to me in so many ways. And when students enroll at my center, they're just more than just students. They become my family and I become their family. To know that Kumon does help every child become an amazing student. It helps them in so many different ways. You know, I talked about giving them math skills and making sure that they're reading proficient, but it's more than that. It's really giving a child an opportunity to realize who they really are in terms of a student. It gives a child an opportunity to really reach and realize their full potential. And that's why I love Kumon, because the sky's the limit.